But what do Jewish Iranians think about the deal? Iran is home to one of the largest Jewish populations in the Middle East after Israel. Persian Jews have called Iran their home for many generations, and my guest, Reese Erlich, just returned from a trip to Iran where he reported on Jewish Iranian views on the nuclear deal for the Global Post. Reese Erlich is a veteran freelance foreign correspondent. He's traveled widely across the Middle East. He just returned from reporting from Iran, and he's written a number of books, including Conversations with Terrorist Middle East Leaders on Politics, Violence, and Empire. Welcome to Uprising, Reese.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks so much for joining us. Well, in your writings for the Global Post, you said most Iranian Jews strongly disagree with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's denunciations of the nuclear accord. How did you arrive at that conclusion?
Well, I had an opportunity to interview over 24 people, both Jews and Muslims. I met with leaders of the of the Jewish community, and I visited a kosher restaurant and interviewed people at random. And Iranian Jews, like Iranians in general, support the accord because they see it as a way to lift the horrific sanctions that have been imposed on Iran and also lessen tensions and lessen the possibility of war.